Hey everyone, today we are going to install Git in our Mac operating system. But before that, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. In the last video, we have installed VS Code and Node.js. You can find these videos in the description. So let's continue our video. So first head over to a browser, just type install Git. Go to this first link. See, it has already fetched our operating system, download macOS. In this way, if you download this, then you have to go and set the paths and everything. What we will do, just click on this macOS and we will going to install through Homebrew. So if you haven't installed Homebrew, just click on it and see this Homebrew command will be open. What you have to do, just you have to copy this command and run in your terminal. So let's go to terminal. So in terminal window, just paste this command and press enter. Give your Mac password. After this, it will ask you to install the Xcode command line tools. So just simply press enter. This will take some time, so we will skip through this. So now you can see this has been installed successfully. This will take some time as it will download some software. It will be depending on the speed of the internet you have. So let's just check if we have brew installed or not. So what we have to do before that we check, we have to run this command in terminal to add homebrew to our path. So what it is saying, first of all we have to do this. Now second, we have to follow this line. What it will do, it will just simply add the path of homebrew in our Z profile. See, now what we have to do is this last command. Now what they're saying, just run brew help. Now you can see the brew has been successfully installed in our system. Now we can go and install Git in our operating system. So we will go and just copy this command and paste in our terminal. It will automatically fetch the latest version of the Git in our system and download for us. So now you can see Git has been successfully set up in our system. We can see the version if we want to. See, this is the latest version we have installed in our Mac operating system. So in this video, what we have done, basically we have set up Homebrew. So Homebrew help us to install the software with just the command line. So you can install it for other software also. You can install VS Code through this also. I have already made a video how we can install VS Code with a much simpler way. You can go for this method also. Now we have set up Git. In the future videos, we will see how we can do some actions on Git. And that's all for this video. If you love this video, please leave a like and leave a comment and do subscribe. Thank you.